how do you think we can be more mindful about how we treat nature? Have you ever worked with anybody disabled who was in your workforce or alongside you?
Yes, I have.
Did you find any benefits working with this person? What do you think is disability employment awareness, and how do you think we can promote this in our workplaces?
Well,
Welcome back to Boldly Unfiltered, where we challenge norms, unpack the layered truths, and lean into the raw beauty of real conversations. Today we talk about connection. Connection with ourselves, connection with others, connection with what's around us. So we start with flexibility. What if flexibility is not just about yoga poses or changing our schedules? What if it's about resilience? What if bending a little bit, whether it's physically, emotionally, or mentally, is really what keeps us from breaking? Then we flow into something bigger, nature. So what's the connection between us and nature? Is nature really sacred? Maybe how we view nature is how we view ourselves. Let's talk about it. The third thing we discuss is our relationship and understanding with disability employment awareness. What's it really like to be inclusive? Is it truly required? Or is having people with different abilities in the workforce just an add-on? Stay tuned with us and let's explore these raw truths and what the community has to say. Let us know in the comments below what your views are and join in on our conversation.
Are you guys into fitness or anything? Do you guys follow a routine in general? No? You do? Okay. So tell me this thing. Do you think there should be some flexibility in a routine, or do you think we should just do
some flexibility in your body.
okay? Not just body, I think, in your life as well, just day-to-day activity. Do you think balance in general, when you have some flexibility and there's balance in life, work-life balance, or if you guys are studying, then, school and friends and everything, all of that, do you think that has any sort of impact on your well-being?
No, not such things.
Do you have an opinion on that?
Yeah, we should be flexible as it helps our own body. Yeah.
We should be fit and like more balancing our body, and we should work out every day to be flexible.
Right. Okay. Have you ever worked with anybody disabled who was in your workforce or alongside you?
yes, I have.
Did you find any benefits working with this person?
I mean, not as such any benefits. I mean, because we are working on the same capacity towards, this common goals that we are trying to work on. So yeah, no such like benefits.
All right. Do you think in today's time, people or companies rather should be more inclusive when it comes to, people that are there in their workforce?
If a person has the right set of tools and he is qualified for the job, so I don't think it matters if he's disabled or not. However, yes, in case if there are people who are more equipped with whatever the job requires and are there, and just because they're disabled, they should be given the opportunity as well.
Right. Okay. Do you think there are any structural changes that should happen in traditional employment models to try and accommodate diverse abilities?
I think yes. I mean,
If you were to name any, do you think anything that on the top of your head that you think should be done?
I mean, from a job perspective, I think there are a lot of resources already out there, a lot of job portals where people can apply. I think definitely, in case what needs to be done, I think that in case if somebody has been denied an opportunity, so those particular cases definitely should be investigated. That is what I think.
Right, right. Okay, and do you think there should be drives where we talk about disability employment and stuff like that, where we should just focus on the awareness in corporate life? Because I think this is something that we don't talk about enough. What do you think about it?
See, I think awareness is plenty much, and I think talking about it just really doesn't help. There has to be some really hard measures that have to be done. So we can definitely go around talk about it all day long. We can have forums. We can have group discussions and everything. But it really won't make it really won't matter in case if something is done about it. So I think some hard, steady measures should be put in place rather than just spreading awareness about it. That's pretty much it.
Well, I think disability, well, we have to promote it somehow, but we have to also see, I'm a businessman.
Okay.
So I have to see if that person is productive or not. In the end, I'm care about my profits. But yeah, disability people, the people who have some disability, they are like pretty. Sometimes I get like those opportunities from those people, like something unique or something else which I can't get from a normal employee. Was a normal sort of thinking and all. So I think the creative mindset, because I don't expect hard work, of course. So I think the creative aspects, like some people, like my own employees has autism, so. So I know, like some ideas are so amazing. So
Okay, in general asking, do you think there are any particular benefits that you might have experienced working with a disabled person than as compared to a person who...
well, I said the creative mindset, right?
Creative.
Like completely out of box thinking. So from a different perspective altogether.
And since you're a businessman, I'm pretty sure you have people under you working and you have your own employees. My question is, do you think do you personally follow any sort of structural, a structure where when you're hiring people, is there anything that you do?
Talent. So I don't care about what sort of qualification the person has. I just ask very specific question. And I ask like, do you know about my company and how it works? And then I hire them, because in the end, I don't care about the qualification. I care about how much less training I have to give them.
Of course. All right. So, would you say your business or your workplace is inclusive?
Well, sort of, yes.
Do you take any particular measures to keep it inclusive?
It depends on the situation. I have 2 partners with me, so really depends. I won't comment on that.
How do you think we can be more mindful about how we treat nature? There's a lot of pollution, there's a lot of things that are going wrong.
Like, we should use electric cars to reduce the pollution. We should plant more trees.
Yeah.
We can treat nature as we treat ourselves. Yeah.
All right. Okay. Thank you. Nice.